We have a poster here presenting overall survival data for nivolumab for the 025 trial. That was the randomized trial comparing nivolumab to everolimus. So we have data now with a minimum follow-up of 26 months for all patients. And what's interesting is we're seeing sort of preserved overall survival benefit. So at 2 years, we have 67% of patients on the nivo arm still alive. Again, the curves continue to remain separated, and it looks like there's a bit of a plateau as well. There's no new safety signal as patients get further out, so that's also encouraging. And of the patients who responded to nivolumab in the trial, 29%, so almost a third, their responses have been maintained now at over 2 years. So for this second-line trial, the median overall survival being 26 months, coincidentally the same as the minimum follow-up, that's the longest survival we've seen in this setting overall. So I think this shows that we're definitely moving the needle for nivolumab, and that the original results that were presented over a year ago at ESMO have been maintained. We don't know exactly when to give it, how to give it in combination, where it works best. I think the one thing we do know is that our goal is durable response and cancer control, ideally potentially off of chronic treatment. So a treatment that can be given for a year or 2 years and then stopped with maintained disease control. That, I think, is the ultimate goal. Obviously, cure would be great also. It's not clear yet that we're seeing that, although time will tell. I think when we're 10 years out from the first nivolumab studies, then we'll really know sort of how durable these responses are. But right now, for this randomized trial of nivolumab in the second-line setting, we are 2 years out, and we have the benefit of that length of time data, and it's encouraging to see that patients are still doing well, and there does appear to be a tail emerging on the curve.